Hi, my name is Lori Welkenbach, and I am one of the English 2 Honors teachers here at Vieira High School. English 2 Honors is really a stepping stone for your child to improve and, embellish on those skills that they learned last year in English 9. It's also to get them ready for the upcoming FSA and improve on their writing and reading skills, really, that they learned in ninth grade, and get them ready for 11th grade and whatever that is, whether it's at the college level or taking an AP course. So this year we're going to do some different things, and again, those expository and argumentative skills that they learned in ninth grade are going to be, improved on somewhat, and we'll just go from there. If you have questions or comments or anything, just please let me know, and I will try to get back with each of you within 24 or 48 hours. And if I don't, please let me know, and again, I will try to answer as quickly as I am able. Thanks, and let's have a great year. Bye-bye.